Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor sent me a free product. This is a paid review. It's a Rangefinder. So let's check this out, shall we? First off, check out the gift. It's a nice gift package if you were given this for a gift. Oh, nice. It comes in a pack that would go on on a belt loop. So like if you were a golfer or a hunter or whatever else you would use a rangefinder for. But those are the two things that I can think of right off the bat: is golfing and hunting. It's nice pouch though. Very tough. It does have a charge cord in, and in the bag here it has a lens cleaner, a strap, and some instructions. Let me read that and I'll get right back to you. So I have put the strap on. It was very easy. You just put it through this hole and loop it back on itself. Very easy. And I've read the instructions. The instructions were pretty good. So basically, there is an on-off button, and there's also the push to fire button. That's where you push it pushes the shot out and bounces it off the target. It comes back and is read by, oh, I'm sorry, I got it backwards. Pushes the shot out and is read by this little lens here and tells you how far away it is. So I'm going to turn this over here and turn this up here. And if you look over here, this tree right here, I clock it probably, I stepped it over there. I'm guessing it's between 40 and 50 feet. So I'm going to take this rangefinder and we're going to turn it on. Okay, and I counted it at 24 yards, and it's coming on in at 20.8 yards. So I wasn't too far off. And there's a dumpster over here. You see that dumpster over there? I'm going to do that dumpster. And I counted that as 50 yards. Let's see what it really was. Came in at 58 yards. So that's pretty good. This is a great little tool. So it measured very accurately, probably more accurately than my feet. So if you're a hunter or if you're a golfer and you need accurate measurements of where you're going or where you're putting to or where you're driving to or chipping to or shooting to, go out and get yourself a rangefinder. Or if you have a putter or a golfer or a hunter in your life and you're looking for a good, nice present for them, here it is.